This video is sponsored by PageProof.
Hi, this is Pariah Burke for CreativePro. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a table of contents in InDesign that doesn't appear on the page, never gets output, doesn't print, won't be seen anywhere on the page in PDF, but is accessible to people with disabilities. Your first question might be, why would I do that? If I'm going to create a table of contents, shouldn't it be on the page? Shouldn't everybody get to see it and navigate that way? Typically, yes, but there are situations where that's not exactly what you want. According to the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, which are part of Section 508 of the Americans with Disabilities Act, EN 301-549, the European Standard for Digital Accessibility, and other laws, rules, and requirements to which many designers must adhere to make their documents accessible, PDF bookmarks should be created in a hierarchical order that reflects the document's logical structure. And implied in that is that the bookmark navigation system must include all of the document's sections, headings, or other means of organization. In this course catalog that I built for a training company, there are actually 4 tables of contents, but none of them can create a full set of PDF bookmarks. Depending on the class you're looking to take, how much you already know about the subjects, your goals for the class, and how your mind works, you might want to search for courses by category via a complete alphabetical listing of all courses, or just those courses on a certification track. For example, the Adobe Certified Professional in Visual Design certification here. There's also this high-level table of contents here. But no one of these covers everything, which means to be accessible in the PDF bookmarks that come out of this document, I need to create another 5th invisible TOC that includes not just the courses, but also the front matter and back matter pages. How you do that is so simple that once you know the trick, you're going to slap yourself in the forehead for not thinking of it first. I'm going to move out of preview mode in InDesign so I can see the pasteboard, and then scroll over to the pasteboard beside this page. You can use any page. The location is irrelevant as long as it's a document page and not the pasteboard attached to a parent or master page. Go to Layout, Table of Contents, and build your table of contents using paragraph styles and the correct hierarchy of level field values, just the way you learned in my previous videos here on CreativePro's YouTube channel. Make sure to include all the styles and headings you want in your PDF bookmarks or EPUB navigational TOC. Formatting doesn't matter. No one will see the fonts, colors, or anything from any paragraph or character style you choose for this invisible TOC that makes PDF bookmarks. The really important part is 2 checkboxes at the bottom. Activate Create PDF Bookmarks, which will, create the bookmarks. So turn that on. It's important to note that if you had checked this option on any other TOCs in the document, you don't have to rebuild them. That's a big part of why I chose this course catalog with 4 other TOCs for my demonstration file. PDF bookmarks will only be created from the newest TOC or the most recently updated TOC to have that option checked. So if you accidentally had it checked on a different TOC, you're not in trouble. Just check it now. It's a good practice, though, to leave this option off, except for the one TOC you want to make PDF bookmarks out of. Also, if it's on, make sure to turn off Replace Existing Table of Contents. At least that's what I'm going to do because I don't want InDesign messing with any of the ones already on my page. I want a completely separate one just for PDF bookmarks. Click OK and you'll have a loaded cursor. Click and drag on the pasteboard to drop the TOC. Make sure you don't drag on a page, don't even touch a page. Put it on the pasteboard. Which means this TOC will never be seen by anybody on any page. Print the InDesign document. It's not there. Export to PDF. Not there. Export to HTML. Not there. But it will make PDF bookmarks. And that's it. There is no step 3. Step 1, build your TOC. Step 2, place it on the pasteboard. You don't even have to fix the fact that some of the TOC is overset, because when InDesign hands the document to Acrobat Distiller during the PDF export process, the entire story from this frame, visible or overset, will be rendered as PDF bookmarks. Now export to PDF. That's it, you're done. That pasteboard TOC won't print, won't be visible anywhere, but you will have accessible bookmarks, assuming you meet the other relevant web content accessibility guidelines about nesting, readability, matching the text on the page, and so on.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.